What's up, guys? Welcome to the Black Market Barber YouTube channel. My name is PJ, and today is a very exciting day. It's a pivotal moment in history. If you have watched any of my videos, which I'm assuming if you're following me and you subscribe that you probably binge watch all of them anyway, so you know that the first one I did was about a product called Artius Man Beard Oil, and they sent me some samples and they were fucking amazing. And that was that. I made that video like 4 years ago or something, and then I like stopped making videos pretty much, and now here we are. Anyway, I bought some more Artius Man stuff, and it just came, and I was opening the box, and I was like, wait, I have to do an unboxing, reaction video to the product. Why not, right? Me and them, we go way back. So I reached out to them to do some like affiliate marketing and stuff for them and stuff, but that's not why they sent me this. I bought this. These are my things, okay? Now, here we go. See, like I said, I opened the box a little bit. I got all antsy, I got like all excited, and I couldn't wait. And so now I have it. Now I have it here. And upon opening the box, you will see this very sweet letter. It says Paul, which they're not supposed to know that name. But anyway, thank you for oh my gosh. Thank you for your order. Nicole, you have great handwriting. 10% off your next order. Hell yeah. Sweet Artius Man sticker. Stickers. All right. Right now I'm repping Artius Man. This awesome green paper. I don't know why they choose green. I think because, never mind. Okay, so this is the stuff I got. Just some basic stuff. I will say that most of their balms and what else was it? Mustache waxes, I think, and their balms had avocado oil in it, which is probably a really great oil. I see a lot of products have avocado oil in it, but my wife is allergic to avocado oil, so it's a little bit unfortunate because I love this brand. They have such quality products, and like I can't even use their balms. I can use their balms if I don't want to touch my wife, but yeah. So I'm not using their balms, obviously. So I got here beard wash. This is their beard wash, and I got the 3 wood. Yeah, I'm psyched about that because I love golf, and I know some people that are gonna like that too. Anyway, 3 wood. Let's check it out. It's my first time smelling 3 wood. When I ordered the stuff before, it was actually just a sample kit. They sent me some samples for free, which is super awesome. I think they still do that, or they do like 20 samples for super cheap or something like that. But they sent me these free samples. It's really cool that they do that because you kind of get, you get an idea before fully committing. You get to test the waters, test drive it a little bit. Okay. Still sealed, that's good. No tampering. Smells kind of like sandalwood. Doesn't say sandalwood. It says pure essential oils. If my nose doesn't deceive me though, that is sandalwood. Can't wait to use this. They sent me some beard wash with the oil samples that they sent me, and it was so badass. Like honestly, I haven't used a lot of beard wash because as you know, I tend not to wash it that much. When I do, I really like to use Grandpa's pine tar soap, which is actually a recommendation from the Sultan. Yeah, that's something I would just use, and I haven't really ever worried too much about overwashing or having too harsh of a soap because I don't use them so much. But I do think that this is a high quality product. This is the stuff I'm talking about when I say buy high quality stuff. Buy high quality stuff. See this little bottle? This tiny little bottle is like 20 bucks. It's gonna probably last me 2 years though. So I got matching 3-wood conditioner, beard conditioner, to be specific. It says right on here, lift and peel, for all you idiots out there who don't know. Now it's open. Man, I can't wait to use this stuff. Stoked about that. If you're gonna get some beard wash, I highly recommend Artius Man. Like I said, I paid for these. They're not paying me. I don't know if that needs to be said. I hear other YouTubers doing it, so I'm just saying. Oh, full transparency, that's what they say. All you YouTube classics out there. Full transparency, they didn't pay me shit. I bought this with my own money. Okay, now this oil is called Invigoration, and I got this on the recommendation of Dan C. Bearded. I'm sure if you have a beard, or if you've YouTubed this channel for beard stuff at all and you came across this channel, you already know who Dan C. Bearded is. He's way more famous than me. This is called Invigoration Beard Oil. I know that Dan C. Bearded is all about the lightweight oils, and so this was apparently a collab they did. So it's one of their lighter weight oils. Artius Man tends to have a heavier oil, which is good. I like Artius Man's oils. They have castor oil in them, and castor oil is great for your hair health. It's great for the health of your skin and your hair follicle and growing hair. So don't be afraid of that thick old greasiness. Let's give it a whiff. I like their bottles, man. Just like real high quality looking, green. Looks like I'm putting lactation of emeralds on my beard. Pepperminty. Pepperminty. See if I can see what is in here. Peppermint, bergamot, tea tree, green mandarin, neroli. And also this one is a little bit more on the pricier side of their stuff. It was like $4 more than their other ones. You pay more because there's a little picture of Dan C. Bearded. That's all. This is a super I'm sorry. This is a really good beard oil. I mean, I'm sorry. I laugh at myself, as you can tell. Okay, the carrier oils in this are almond, sweet almond, and argan, and we also got some meadow foam, coconut, fractionated coconut. Man, this thing is like packing a punch right here. Luckily, I just cleaned my hands because I'm gonna try this shit out right now. Take off my hat. Oh, one more thing. One more thing, yeah, one more. I got beard and mustache wax. Okay, so I found a beard and mustache wax that didn't have avocado oil in it. So hell yeah, thank you Artius Man for having a hypoallergenic option for me, well, for my wife. This is also in 3-wood. So the only thing that's not 3-wood fragrance is the beard oil, which I figured, you know, I think the kind of woodsy thing will go along well with the peppermint. I don't think those two are going to conflict at all. So I think I made a really wise choice there. That's why I have the gray chin and you don't. Smells good. Yeah, so this is gonna be sick. This is gonna be really good. This is a beard and mustache wax, but I know it's not a super hard wax, and I actually like, personally, a little bit more of a structure to my beard because my beard gets real fluffy and it's curly, and as I've said before, I grow the mustache long. I tend not to do a short mustache. I grow the mustache long. I want to have a little more structure to my product. So I thought this would be a good pairing. I got the mustache wax. Just to let you know a little bit of how I think. I got the mustache wax, which I'm going to use all over. And then the lightweight beard oil. So lightweight beard oil, this is my theory here. Rinse the face first thing in the morning. Put my lightweight beard oil on. And I've actually been, okay, so side note, I've been trying something Dan C. Bearded talked about, which was to let the oil soak in. And this was in one of his earlier videos. So I don't know if he still does this, but you put the oil on and let it soak in for 5 minutes. That's a great idea, I think, because, you know, there's a time frame for these seepage. you know, let it seep in. So lightweight oil, and then my holding product. The balm is probably great, but in my experience, balms tend to just be like another oil. It's just like you put an oil on and then you put a balm on, and it's just like extra oil. So I definitely want something with more of a wax in there, and the wax to seal everything, all the goodness in, and last a little bit longer. You know, if you ever put some oil on your hands and then run it under water. I mean, water rinses off oil, not all of it, but it does rinse some of it off. So if you're wiping your face and eating and you're a sloppy good for nothing, you're wiping and acting like a pig, and then you go and wipe off half your expensive beard oil. You don't want to do that. So I got the oil, and then I got the beard / mustache wax to act as my shield, my buffer zone between my hair and the world, my expensive Dancy Bearded collab oil, and the other things that are trying to come against it. Evil. So I'm super stoked about that. Okay, so let's get into it. On my Instagram, I pretty much do a video every night for accountability, so you all know that I practice what I preach. I brush my beard every day, multiple times a day, and it's super crucial, super important. Almost more important than beard oil. If you didn't do anything to your hair, as long as you're exfoliating the skin underneath it and eating right and hydrating, your hair is going to be pretty damn healthy. The beard oil is just an extra, so you don't smell like a bum, so you have a little bit of a glossy sheen to your beard. It's just a little bonus for holding in the moisture, keeping things from getting super dried out and weathered. So that's that. Man, I'm excited about this stuff. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. About this size of a beard, for me personally, I kind of rub the excess into the rest of my hair, my hands. So I'm not really worried about putting a little bit too much. I like the air on the side of a little bit too much. Just rub the excess into my hands and my arms and stuff, get myself nice and oiled up, rather than, have a missing piece, missing patch, and have it dry off, get all crispy and fall off. So I'm talking way too much. Wow, this does feel super light. Feels great. I start with the stash. Oh my gosh. Shoulder patch, chin. I want to say, one of my pet peeves of watching other people's beard videos, I won't name any names, beard brand, whoa, is I see these guys, they got their beards, they got these great beards, they take their product, and they're like rubbing the shit out of their face. And I'm like, bro, calm down, okay? Hair, beard is a masculine thing, but it's still hair. Be gentle, like rub it in slowly and gently. Take care of yourself. I like to puff out my cheeks just to help me get it on my beard without getting it all over my cheeks. Okay, so first impressions is my face already feels like tingly and cool and pepperminty. It's really weird. It's really weird. This stuff is sick. The reason that's a good thing, also a tip I picked up from the Sultan, is you feel that tingly feeling, you feel that cooling, tingling feeling, and it's stimulating your skin. That feeling lets you know that the essential oil, the peppermint oil, is stimulating your skin, which is stimulating blood flow, which is bringing life to your hair. Oh, like that. I'm a little rough on top, and I don't care about that as much. Maybe that's why I'm going bald, I don't know. Now that the oil is evenly dispersed, another side note, another pet peeve of mine. This is going to be a pet peeve reel, okay? I'm sorry. When I see these people, these Insta famous people with their big old beards, and they take their oil dropper, and they're like literally like and just dripping it on their beard. Come on. Rub it in your hands. That's like taking your pre-workout without putting it and mixing it in water. Don't be a dumbass. Rub it on your hands and disperse it evenly, okay? I'm a cosmetologist. I'm licensed in this. I'm telling you the right way to do it. Brush it through, nice and even. I think it's okay to be a little obsessive about this part. I really do. If you're not thorough, if you're missing a spot, that spot's not getting oil, that spot's not getting the exfoliation, it's not getting the blood flow. You know, be thorough. Care about the things that you do, or don't do it. Wait a minute. Okay, that's that. That's the beard oil. Rub the rest onto your hands. Now what I'm going to do is a little top coat with this beard wax. What you do is, if you've never done this before, take your fingernail or your guitar pick. If they send you a guitar pick, a lot of brands put a guitar pick in there. You don't need that, but use your fingernail. And just start to scrape a little bit, depending on how much you want. I already know how much I like. By the way, I really like this container. Just a small detail, but the container screws shut. That's a big plus. If you're like me, you just throw it in your backpack or something, and if that lid pops off, you're getting all kinds of shit in your wax. So it's a great container. And it's big. It's really big. This is 1 ounce. It's a 1 ounce container. I don't know if you can tell in my hand. Like that. Put it in your palm. Man, this stuff feels silky and good. Smells like a 3-wood. It's hard to see where the top of the beard is because I'm not looking in the mirror like I usually do. A little bit up on top. And that's that. Don't make fun of my mustache wax up application face. I know you all got a mustache wax application face. And women, you too. I know you got your makeup putting on face. I've seen you. I've seen you. Just a light brushing with this, with the wax, because I don't want to kind of push it down to my skin. I don't want to move it all around too much. I want it to be exactly where I put it because this is my hold product. Man, it smells good, man. Smells real good. I'm not even going to do a review of the soap. I mean, you've washed your hair before. You know how that goes. And I already know this stuff is bitchin'. So this stuff is going to be great. I've used it before. I haven't used the conditioner before. So now I got the conditioner. Got the double whammy. Yeah! That's it. Artius Man. Check them out, guys. They're on Instagram. They got their own website and everything. Hella legit. Put the rest on the arm skis. Ain't nobody got time for that ashy elbow. One more thing, guys. I'm putting a link below from Artius Man, a discount code that you can use to get a discount on some Artius Man products. I highly recommend them. I'm not promoting them because I'm trying to make money off of them, although I am. I'm promoting them because I know their products are good. I'm real picky about the stuff that I put on my beard, and I can guarantee you that it's going to do you good. So use that link. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, or this is the best way that I've found to use my products to style my beard and such like that. So I'm always open to other ideas and other opinions. This is a community. If you guys have grown a beard and maybe you have a better way, a different way. I'm an expert, but I'm not the last expert. So please share your input, share your ideas, share your thoughts. Please like and subscribe this video. I don't have a slogan yet, so that's all.